好，我们看一下这样一个考点2，是关于这个 how to simplify the fraction of the 4 and this exponent of the 3x plus 7 and over the 8 in the exponent of the 2x plus 5. So how to simplify the fractions? So firstly, we need to keep base. So what is the base means? Keep base same. So what is the means keep base? So base is like the 4 and base is like the 8. So 3x plus 7 is the exponent and the 2x plus 5 is also exponent. So that means we need to keep the base the same. So how can I say the base? So base is, that will be like this is the 4 is the base, 8 and the exponent of the 2x plus 5, the 8 is also the base. So that means we need to keep the base the same. So how to keep the base the same? So that means we have to change the variable like from the 4, right? We have to change the variable from the 4 to the 2 square, right? 4 from the 2 square, because the 2 square that will be equal to 4. So change the 4 equal to 2 square and 8 change to the 2 cube, right? 2 cube. So that means at the denominator we can see that there will be like the change to the 4 and the exponent of the 3x plus 7 that will be equals the 2 square and times the 3x plus 7. So this is the what? This is the change to the base to the like the 4 change to the 2 square and the bracket of the times the bracket of the 3x plus 7. So basically do the same things like the second one. So the second one that will be like the 8 and the exponent of the 2x plus 5, and we can get the 8 we change to the 2 cube and times the bracket of like the bracket of the 2x plus 5. Okay, 2x plus 5. So that's basically like we successful to change to the two different base to the two same base, like 4 change to the 2 square and the 8 change to the 2 cube. So after that, we're not going to either to change to the 4 in the exponent of the bracket of 3x plus 7 and divided by the 8 and the exponent of the bracket of the 2x plus 5. That will be like the either to transfer to the 2 and the exponent of 2 times the bracket of the 3x plus 7 and the denominator that will be like the 2 cube plus times the 2x plus 5. So after that, we're not going to either to find that will be equals the open the bracket first, and then we can get the what, and we can get the 2 and the exponent of the 6x plus 14 and over the 2 that will be like the 6x plus the 15. Okay, so after that we can use the what, base same and exponent of different. So that means we can transfer from the 2 and the exponent of the bracket of the 6 plus 14, right? And divided by the 2 the exponent of the 6x plus 15. So after that, we just need to use one of the most important exponent formula. That means the a. So the variable of the x a, the exponent of a divided by the x of the exponent of b, right? So this is the most important formula in the exponential calculus. So x the exponent of a divided by the x of the exponent of b, that will be like the x the exponent of the a minus b. So we use this basic formula to solve that. We can get the what? Because the base is the same, right? Base is the 2 and 2 from the left side, and the 2 and from the right side, and also 2. So that means 2 base is the same. So that means we just need to use the use the first exponent minus the second of the exponent. So that's okay. So we can get the 2 and exponent of the 6x and plus 14, right? And minus the bracket of the 6x plus the 15. So after that, we're easy to find. That will be like the 2 and exponent of the 6x plus 14 and minus the 6x and minus the 14. So that means that's the value either to get the 6x and minus 6x. We just need to calculate. cancel it, and we get that will be like the 2 and the exponent of the 14 minus 15, and we get the 2 and the exponent of the -1. So that's a very easy to calculate about the 2 exponent of -1. That will be equals the 1 out of 2. So that's all these equations which we already solved. So obviously we're gonna go back to the whole questions. So the whole question asked about how to simplify the fraction. So we just follow the rules about we have to like chain to the base to the same base, like the 4 chain to the 2 square and 8 to the chain to the 2 cube. So after that then we use the one of the important formula which is from the exponent equations, like the 2 bases the same and 2 different number, but the base is the same. So the exponent different, and we use this important formula so we can get keep the base the same if the market during 2 different number is the division. So that means that will be like the that will be equals the x and x a divided by the x exponent of b, and we can get the number of the x of the exponent of the a minus b, and then we can solve this question and end of that. All right, that's everything about how to solve the exponential fractions. Exponential fractions. Yeah.